Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janie. I'm gonna do my makeup real quick in like 10 minutes and I want to do this with you guys. I'm also excited to share some new products that I have. So yeah, let's get into this. If you are doing your makeup while watching this video, I'm so excited. It's like we're doing this together, you know? Okay, it's like very messy. I have this bag and everything is in my bag because I also take this with me to my work. By the way, I have applied moisturizer already. Like, I do not have to prep my skin. So I'm gonna start with foundation. I don't know if you guys know about this beautiful product, but I always apply this with foundation for some coverage because this is just tinted SPF, so I always mix my foundation with this. And this time I want to show you a brand new product that I have, but it's not new, I guess, but it's new for me because I've never tried Natasha Denona's foundation. It's so cool because nobody talks about this foundation, so this is my first time. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. So far I like it. Next, I'm going to apply some concealer, obviously, because I need it. And I'm using Natasha. Oh my god, this is coincidence. I didn't know that I already have Natasha Denona's concealer, and now I also have their foundation. And I don't put this concealer right under my eye, but like here. It doesn't have to be super close to your waterline. And then what I do is I always leave it for like 2 minutes. It depends because I do my brows and then I go back to blending this concealer. So I'm gonna do my brows first. Goof proof brow powder. It's been a very long time, but I was using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. But it's been years and I have no idea how I did that because it takes a very long time and it's like, it looks fake, I would say. Powder is so much easier and softer and subtle. And I feel that pomade is super thick and I'm done. I'm done with one brow. Okay. Okay, done. Almost done. And now I'm gonna brush my brows. Oh, by the way, this is very popular. I don't even have to mention. This is 24-hour brow setter. There's no color in this. It's like clear gel. So I'm gonna brush. So now I'm gonna start blending my concealer. And here we go. So first I try to blend my concealer here and then I take it upwards towards my waterline. Here we go. Okay. After this step, so I'm gonna do that. What do you guys do after this? Like, how do you guys start? Like, some people start with eyes. They do their eyeshadow and eyeliner and lashes first, and then they go back to foundation and contouring and everything else. But that's crazy. Doing eyes before base is impossible for me. And we're gonna use House Labs bronzer, and this is medium level 7. So I'm gonna use this. And I always take this upwards, like this. Whoa. I love this color. This is like perfect blend of red and yellow. You know what I mean? It's not too red or not too yellow, so I like that. Ooh, I love this color. I like all the warmth on my face. We can cut a glass. I don't like that when you can see those lines. 2 lines. I don't like that. So here we go. Whoa. That's way too much. Didn't I say that I don't like these 2 lines and then I'm just literally doing the opposite? Don't worry, I'm gonna fix this once I'm done. So what I'm gonna do is I use this and just make sure that I don't see any harsh lines. And forehead. How can I forget my forehead? Now I'm going to set my under eyes. Oh, by the way, this powder is new. Not new, but it's new for me because I just bought it. Chi. So cute. I like their packaging. Everything is just so cute about this. Like, I don't even have to explain because it's so popular. It's everywhere. And the one I have is 02. Okay, love this product, by the way. Okay, and a little bit on my forehead because my forehead is shiny, and then my nose, and then my eyes, and my mouth, and that's it. Eyeshadow palette, I'm using Morphe. So cute. I love this packaging, and it's not about the packaging, by the way. What I loved is the pigment of these colors. So smooth, and it's so buttery. So here we go. Boom shakalaka boom. Almost done. I'm gonna take the same color and put it here. I apply it here. Oh, this is so cute. It's gorgeous. I love shimmer. Whoa, look at that. I told you, it's perfect. Perfect eyeshadow palette for any occasion. Okay, I'm done with my liner. It's time for blush. My favorite part. I get so excited and I start blushing when it comes to applying blush. And for blush, I'm using Pat McGrath Labs. Super cute. I love this blush. And it's old, as you can tell. Okay. Ooh. I start here and then I come towards my nose. Ooh. A little on my chin, on my forehead, and boom. If it's heavy, you can always go back in. use the same blender. I'm in the sponge and fix it. And there we go. Now I'm gonna do my lips, but I need to get my lipstick. It's not here. So I have to get my lipstick. It's in my bag. My favorite lipstick. Okay, let me get it. Actually, I have so many lipsticks that I cannot say this is my favorite, but what I can definitely say is that this is one of my favorite lipsticks. Go. Love this color. Happy. And we did this together. If you guys are also doing your makeup, let me know if you finished it before I did. So anyways, what I was gonna say is that I had so much fun, and thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.